What's going on, guys? My name's Andre here at New Car Land and Chevy. I'm here to show you guys this here used 2023 Chevy CT4 Blackwing. Now this thing is a really cool car, guys. So of course, for cool cars, I want to give you guys a special video. What I want to do is I want to show you guys a nice POV video of what it's like to drive something like this, just so you can kind of understand a little bit, which you can't really, like, I can show you a little bit of it, but you have to experience it for yourself. 472 horsepower, 445 foot-pounds of torque, 6-speed manual sedan. It's a performance vehicle, guys. So for all my coupe guys out there, you know, this is gonna be it for you. I don't want to do too much talking, guys. Let's hop in the vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, guys, what's going on? So, like I said, I want to do a cool POV video of driving this car here. Now, just to keep this in mind, I have like a camera on top of my head, so just thinking about how stupid I gotta look for y'all. But nonetheless, this is it right here. So this is the CT4 Blackwing, a 2023, very low mileage, about 6,600, somewhere around there. Now, cool thing about this is, as you can see here, 6-speed manual transmission vehicle. So, it's not automatic. It is 6 speeds and manual. Got the nice little third pedal right there. Now, one thing you gotta do to turn this vehicle on is one foot on the brake and clutch, start it up. And there we go. We get to hear that nice, beautiful vehicle. I'm shutting off the AC, so I don't have anything really to kind of mess things up. But this vehicle, guys, it's a very special vehicle. You can't really get a 6-speed manual transmission in a sedan anymore. And so something like this is something that, if you're a coupe guy, if you're someone that really likes performance, but you have a kid or something like that, something that's going to take you away from being able to enjoy your coupe, you got to downsize to one vehicle. This right here is a great alternative. And it's hard to even say alternative because it's like, a lot of coupes aren't going to do what this is. It's a twin turbo V6, so it's already producing 472 horsepower off the bat, but with some really simple upgrades, you could really, and some tuning, you could really bring that number up by quite a bit. And so this is something that a lot of people don't realize you could really enjoy year round. It is rear-wheel drive, but throw some winter tires on there, maybe some sandbags in the back, and you have yourself a really, really, really cool vehicle. That being said, guys, just a quick rundown with everything. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, like I said, 6-speed manual. You do have memory seats right here, and the vehicle is equipped with AKG speakers. Now, AKG, really cool company. They do headphones, things like that. Really, really premium sound right there. But of course, you get a car like this, you're not here for the premium sound, you're here for the premium engine, the premium driving experience. And that's something this car is going to provide for you. Emergency braking, heated steering wheel, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that good stuff, Sirius XM. So you have all that. But I like to go through all the cool stuff. So let's go through the cool stuff. Now, if you see right here, you can kind of go through a lot of performance things. I didn't really dive too deep, but when you press V, you heard that V mode is now activated. So what's that gonna do? Depends on how you have things set up. So over here, as you can see, you could kind of change everything. You could change the heaviness of the steering. Oh, just disappeared on me. Give me a second. I'm bringing that stuff right back up for us here. Matter of fact, let me just hit, oh, I forgot the button. Going back to V mode. So right now it's in tour mode, right? And if you go through the modes, you better go through this. But tour mode, it's gonna do a lot of different things. Engine sensor shifting response is gonna be down. But give me a second. I said you go to track, engine sounds all the way up, steering is all the way up, suspension is gonna be at its roughest, a lot of this stuff. But what I like to do is suspension can be toned down a bit. I'm going to my mode. Give me a second. There we go. My mode, suspension down, engine sounds already up, brake feel, you definitely want to feel that. Steering, I'll have that all the way up. With the suspension, you don't need it to be super rough in order to do stuff. So you don't need to keep that. Oh man, give me a second. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys, one moment. Golly. This guy's different. Sorry about that. One of the salesmen had their phones connected to it and just walked on by. But a lot of things in this car. What was it going over? We was going over the different sounds and stuff. So it is in V mode. Well, I put it in V mode. So in V mode, you have all this turned up. So, and it's cool. I just like to turn the suspension down. That's about it. But guys, let's go on a ride. I want us to have fun during this thing here. So let me just turn the camera on. It's picking up the sound of the exhaust. I want to do that for you guys separate. Just fix my seating really quick. And yeah, guys, let's take off. Oh, seat belts, because safety first. And let's take off. Okay. Very, very easy clutch. Nothing really it's not really too much to it. See that backup camera right there. Oof. Camera sliding everywhere. Oh. All right, guys. All right, and we are on the road. This clutch, the transmission, the gears, everything feels amazing, guys. Very notchy. Can't really get too mad at it. And hear how tame it feels and it sounds. 472 horsepower, but unless I told you, you wouldn't know. Stop sign right here. Gonna let these cars go here. It's a busy day, so obviously I can't get too crazy. But guys, this car feels amazing. Wireless charging right here as well. Don't think I went over that. Really hoping I could open this thing up a little bit, just so you guys can kind of hear everything. Car's already warmed up and all that. So obviously we want to follow all the rules of the road. Which of course would be hard to do in a car like this, but you know, we're law-abiding citizens, so we don't want to do anything that might harm somebody or things like that. You know, just want to make sure things are good. Past that cop, you know. So one thing people don't realize this car has, I just downshifted there, but I didn't put it on. This thing actually has rev matching. Feature that not a lot of people really get to experience. Some people say they would want to do their own rev matching, but let me see. I actually forgot to turn that on. Let me see. Oof, you guys hear that engine? Oh man, oh baby. Oh boy. Backfires at will. Now, this is a residential area, so we don't want to get too crazy. We just want to be able to hear the engine and stuff. And let me tell you, I can hear it. Look how quick that thing is went to. Woo! Yeah, I might not get a chance to buy this thing, man. I might end up buying this joint myself. I ain't gonna hold you. I've never been down this street, so we're gonna explore this street together in this beautiful Cadillac CT4 blackwing. Oh, let me just secure that hat. Nice little camera head. If you see the green logo while I'm driving, guys, that green logo is just a car letting you know that it sees another vehicle ahead of us. See, it's right there. It sees that car right ahead of us. Now, speaking about performance, one thing this car has, a lot of people don't know, is it actually has flat foot shifting. Now, what flat foot shifting is you could be on it, on the gas and everything. You don't have to let go when it comes to changing gears. Give me one moment. So you could be driving and you could just shift. Now me, I'm so used to like shift. I have to shift like that in my car, so I like don't like. I thought I was gonna turn there, but I'm not. I should have turned over there. I might just turn around. So I want to figure out. I'm going to this parking lot over here. I want to figure out how to turn on a rev matching. So let me see. I'm turning to this parking lot right here. Just give me a second, guys. Oh, actually, let me keep on turning here. All right, parking brake is right here. For all those don't know, you hear it engage. Wow. Okay, so I want to see how to turn on rev matching. Like, how do you hold it? Man, I can't believe I gotta say this, but I have to pull my phone out to figure this out. Oh, actually, I think if it's yellow like that, rev matching is on. I pressed the button and it was white, and I turned it back on, it was yellow. That must mean in order to turn it on, you have to do that. I don't know. We shall see. Only one way to find out though, right? Oh, there it goes. And of course you have that glorious, glorious sound, guys. Make sure my camera's okay. Gonna go back the same way we came, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where the hell I am. At this point, guys, I'm just enjoying it. Like, I know, like, I'm supposed to be talking about the car and everything, but ain't much to talk about. All right, it's a nice car that's quick on its feet. And I'm used to driving a lowered vehicle, so y'all see me dodging potholes and whatnot. It's just what I'm used to. I wish these cars weren't in the way. I would enjoy these little twisties here. And when you go into neutral, it does still kind of try to rev match for you for whatever reason. I mean, it makes sense. I guess the computer's not gonna know what the hell you're really trying to do. It's not gonna wait until you are already in gear to try to rev match. By that time, it's already too late. Let's see, this guy's about to turn, so let me see. He's about to move. All right, now that he moves. Now this car is very tall gears, so you don't really need to shift that much. You know, second gear, you get to really enjoy some turns and everything. Oh, we almost died, unfortunately. It's a few spots I would really want to go, but you know, guys, I'm still at work, all right? Still at work. It is what it is. Just gonna turn up here. Ooh, and that downshift. Ooh. Up now, lane keep assist, you got to be careful. Lane keep assist does try to kick in. There was a vehicle coming out of there, so I'm kind of over the yellow lines right there, for good reason. I want to protect the car, and then the vehicles that are parked as well. I'm gonna downshift in a second right there, so I'm gonna just turn lane keep assist off because they just tried to take over right there, and we don't like that here. We don't like that at all. Like, guys, this is the perfect, like, car to just drive, guys. Like, this, oh my gosh, like, this car is just good. There's no way to describe it, you know. Well, it's the only way to describe it. There's no other way to describe it. Apologies. I fell in love. Okay. I love this car, guys. I'm sure any one of you guys would too. It's just, at the end of the day, an amazing car. All right. Put the parking brake on. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video just as much as I did. Like I said, this vehicle right here, super special vehicle, guys. I don't know if I said in the video, but this car is a future classic, to me at least. You know, one of the last 6-speed manual sedans you can get straight from GM with, you know, really good horsepower. Again, 472, 450, 445 torque, more than enough for the street. So, I mean, you want something like that, CT4 Blackwing, show some love. Hit the follow button for New Car, hit the follow button for me. Subscribe to the YouTube, that probably I'm gonna have coming up. And yeah, guys, I'll just keep shooting these videos for y'all. I'll keep it going. All right, so swipe up, find out why everyone loves a new car. My name's Andre. Peace.